Hello friends, today I am here to share my poem with you all. The name of my poem is Watching as an Outsider. Mother carrying a baby on her shoulder. Meanwhile, she is feeding the other one. It was a break from the casual work. Her aura was not less than a woman with strong intent. Vermilion on her head was the only thing I can see clearly from far. Covering her head with a dupatta, her face looks dull, maybe because of her working in this overhead sun all day long. Sitting underneath a drumstick tree, she is resting for a while. The tree is huge and birds are enjoying too. A little break is enough to take care of her children. Not enough for her, I felt, from her glance out of the corners of her eyes. It surprised me. I was amused by her gestures. One moment I found her as a strong woman. The next moment, it feels her misery had been wrapped with so-called obnoxious fate. Wondering, how would the world of hers differ from mine? Is it just her fate or somebody's pleasure, someone's contentment? The two distinct worlds live together, but never ends together. Far from each other, still it is so near. Glance of her eyes was a mix of proud, but also pleading for a wishing well. No pity, no empathy, no distant dreams she craves for. Less of struggle and more of righteousness she deserves. No world is impure, no garden has reserved flowers. No mother deserves their child without a care. She lives for them, with her identity lost. Today, I saw her playing with her little girl, enjoying the weather while working on a construction site. All in pink, she wore a sari today. I got the chance to clearly see her face. Bindi on her forehead and sindoor still the brightest on her face. She smilingly introduced her daughter to me. Looking down, I said, "Hello," with a smile. The little girl gazed at me once and again looked up with a smile on her face. I can see she is a mother of two. Smile on her face when she said, "He is the younger one and she's the elder one." Even in this hardship of life, she was in peace. As a blessed mother, I still can't figure out what is best. Being trapped in so much hardship and enjoying life in bits and pieces. How far the life goes on. How much patience someone needed. Fate is big or hard work. Or is it nothing but our own satisfaction? Today, she wore a blue sari and sindoor again the brightest on her face. Baby was smiling, baby was crying. The baby played well, even when left alone. Smiling face and glittering eyes of a baby shining like a star. I could think of just one thing at that moment. He is blessed with parents just like we are. Life is hard for everyone, but blessed are those who still are with their loved ones. What more we wish for is less pain and more blessed hands. I realized being a woman itself an aura. She may have many different wishes that she holds. Caring for her children is still her first priority, cause she is a mother and she is happy.